start. As far as general insurance is concerned, I would like to mention here that it does not exactly relate to the rural insurance, but I must mention here because just yesterday I reviewed this program of adalats for the case of motor vehicle accidents. I know how much hardship sometimes people feel who are victims of these motor vehicle accidents have to undergo in order to get some compensation. Now, GIC has decided and has already held some adalats where there is interface and victims are paid immediately, and this has created tremendous benefit, and we want to extend this. Just to give what we have done in this regard, between January and August, more than 4,000 complaints of motor vehicle accident cases have been settled by Lok Adalats. From August to December, we have kept the target of 6,000 cases, but we have actually settled 16,000 cases and thereby paid more than rupees 50 crores by way of disbursement. But it all depends on the parties to agree to the compensation. If they do not agree, they can always go to the court, but there is no fixed scale of compensation. It depends on the nature of accident and circumstances of the case. But going through the rural thrust of general insurance, a group insurance scheme for landless agricultural labor all over the country has been created. The entire premium will be borne by the government of India, and if any landless agricultural laborer dies in the course of his work, his family straight away will get rupees 3,000 without payment of any premium. I must, however, say that we have several other schemes for general insurance like cattle insurance, hut insurance, a new scheme that we have introduced, and if the hut of a landless laborer gets burnt by accident, immediately he will get some compensation. If his cattle die, he will get compensation. Now, I must admit, and here I seek the cooperation of all the honorable members, that in respect of many of these schemes, there is no awareness as far as potential beneficiaries or target groups are concerned. Now, a landless agricultural laborer who is there in a village and who does not know that schemes exist, if he dies, though he is entitled to compensation, more often than not, the members of his family are not at all aware of it. Stop.